Check this out. When Mary and I walked into our first homes, they weren't cute little touch-up jobs. Grease-coated kitchens, mold in the showers, dust you could write your name in. Neither of us were professional cleaners. We had supplies that fit in my car and the decision not to quit. And we got on our knees and we cleaned. Because you don't skip the dirt trains you. It teaches you how to hire, how to price, how to lead. In a way, no spreadsheet ever could have. Full story on how I built my Freedom House, link below. Earn your education at mademillionaires.com.